Okay, as you can see, the valve is straight up and down, so it's in the on position, and we have no leak right now at all. Now, I want to go through the process of what we've done here to diagnose this. This was the previous video I put live. You could see this pouring out when I turned the valve on. So what we had to do is shut it back down, open up the check valves. We've got water all over because we flush it out without the check valves in there. Then we seen the rubbers were bad in there, so they needed flipped. We had to clean out the inside of the backflow, then reinstall them. Once we reinstall them, you can see all the water over this way. We open up each one of these test cocks. And what that does is any garbage in the line or anything like that, we're trying to get it out. These are very sensitive. Even after a repair, you can end up with a leak. So it's really important to flush it out before and after you change it out. Clean it out, do everything you can. So now we've got this backflow functioning properly, and we're good to go until it has an issue again. Unfortunately, these RPs with the drain on them, if something gets in the line, you can have an issue with this at any time. But all we can do is see what was causing it to leak and fix that particular problem. That's what we've done.